Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gift cards from Apple Store. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar just type in apple.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official Apple website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and click on the sign in button to sign into your account using your login credentials. After you have logged into your account, you will simply need to click on the search button and in the search box simply type in gift card. You will then find the Apple gift card within suggested links. Just go ahead and click on it and you will be taken to the gift card shopping page. From here you can buy and redeem your gift card. To buy any gift card, simply click on the buy button and now you can choose how you want to send your gift card. Choose whichever option you want and you also have the option to choose your design. After choosing your wanted design, simply choose the amount that you want to load into your gift card. After selecting the amount, simply type in the name of the recipient followed by their email address. Then type in the name of the sender and the email address of the sender as well, and then add any personalized message if you wish by clicking on the add button. Once you have done all of those, you can click on the add to back button and then proceed with paying for your gift card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy a gift card from the Apple Store. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.